So I've reached like a point where I feel like all my creativity has been drained out of me. Like, I can't put a name to a face, and I can't remember names, and I can't remember faces, and I don't have like body language for anything sufficient. I just feel like, I've kind of like reached the peak of my usefulness. And that's not really like a good feeling, It feels like, oh, I want to be there to help somebody, but, it's like, well, I don't really have an imagination, It's like, where did it go? I mean, I could talk to you about it, but I just don't want to bring you down any more than I already have.